So in this session, we will discuss about filtering data. So here, actually, where condition that is used to filter the data based upon the expression and whatever we have given the condition. And limit, fetch, these are the, we can call it as operators which are used to fetch the limited records. Okay. So we will discuss one by one. So, for explaining all these concepts, I am using employee table and department table. And salary table. See, in employee table, we have 14 records, and department table, we have 4 records, salary table, we have 5 records. Okay. So here in employee table, we have the records for department numbers 10, 20, 30. Okay. Suppose, for example, I want to display the records which are having department number 10. I don't want to display remaining department numbers. Then we have to write where condition, where department number equal to 10. Okay. So based on this expression, this query will return the records. That is where. And limit, get a subset of rows generated by a query. See, here I want to fetch the records based on department number 10 and limit 1. I want to fetch the record only 1. See, only 1. I want to return the record only 1 record. So in this case, we have to write limit 1. Okay. And fetch. Actually, this concept fetch is used to limit the number of rows written by a query. Okay. So in which cases it will be used fetch and offset. Offset means skip the particular number of records. Fetch means use it to fetch the particular number of records. We will discuss about the pagination. Then you can easily understand about this offset and fetch easily. Okay. Pagination, it is used to display records page by page rather than all at once. In real-time scenario, suppose we have one screen, and in that screen, thousands of records will be displayed. Okay, so we can able to display thousands of records at a time, but end user can't see that thousands of records at a time. They have to scroll down, keep on scroll down. Okay, so that is not looking good, and that is not convenient for end users also. That's why that thousands of records will be splitted into the number of pages as user selected. Suppose user selected 10 pages, then it per page they can able to see 100 records. Okay. So for example, total number of records 100. So user want to display that 100 records in 5 pages. So total records. Okay. Pages, 5 pages. Okay. So per page, how many records will be displayed? 100 by 5, 20 records. Per page, 20 records. So 20 records, user can easily see that records. Okay. Suppose user want to, after seeing first 20 records, if user clicks on page number 2, then he can able to see the records from 21 to 40. After seeing these records, if user clicks on page number 3, then they can able to see 41 to 60. Okay. So this is about pagination. Here, total number of records, pages per page, how many? So these are the inputs. These are the inputs we need to get from front end to the database. Okay. So how do you write this query? And coming to this employee table, we have only 14 records. Okay. We have only 14 records. Among these 14 records, how to display the records based upon the pagination, we will see. See, select star from EMP order by salary. See, it is displaying records based on order by class. Okay, salary means order by salary means according to the descending or ascending order of the salary, records will be displayed. If you put descending, then it will be displayed like salary in descending order. Okay. So now see here definitions. Offset, use it to skip the first n number of records. Okay. So here I want to display first 3 records. How do we display first 3 records? By default, it is ascending order. See, this is the descending ascending order. Okay, first 3 records I want to display. So we can easily write limit 3. Okay, next. So coming to the pagination. Offset three minus 1. That means, see here, I can able to see the first 3 records. I can able to return the first 3 records by using this command. But I want to display the next 3 records only. That means Ward, Martin, Miller. These 3 records only I want to display. Okay. So based upon the pagination. So here I am taking the parameters like page number 2 and per page how many records I want to display. 3 records. Okay. So per page 3 minus 1. So per page how many records I am giving here 3 minus 1. This is the formula into again per page how many records I want to display. Okay. Next, fetch first 3 rows only. I think better to go for DB here, then you can easily understand. So these are the separate queries. And, see here, and these are the inputs. So Ward Martin Miller. Okay. So Ward Martin Miller. So here formula is I'm writing here. So per page, I mean better to write like this: page size and page number, page size. This is the formula. Okay. So here I want to display size minus page number. Wait a minute. P minus 1. Turner Allen Clark. Turner Allen Clark. Page number. If page number equal to 0, then it will display first 3 records. Yes, first 3 records. If page number is 1, it will display next 3 records. Page number is 2. Will display next 3 records. Page number is 3. Blake. Blake means nine. So
Next
fourth
three
page.
records.
Fourth page. Fourth page. Page number 4 means Scott and Tiger. Scott and King. 4. Here some formula is missing, I think. Page size, page number into page size minus page size. I think into 3 minus 3 2 into 3 Ward Martin, yes. And if I want to display third third page. Third page means Turner, Allen, Clark. Yeah, Turner, Allen, Clark. So if I want to display fourth page means Blake Jones Ford. Blake Jones Ford. Yes. So formula it is not correct. So I will modify this. Page size into page number minus page size. So this is the formula. Okay. So this is about pagination. So pagination means if you use pagination, then user can able to see records on his own convenient way. And then so if you want to display all the records in a single page also, it will be possible, but it is not looking good, not convenient for end user. So that's why we are splitting that number of records into the number of pages, and that page number, page size, that will be given by the user. After that, that parameters will go to the database. So from database level, they will do the pagination, this kind of query, and they will return the particular page related data only. Okay, so this is about pagination. Okay, so